Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for January 1 to 15, 2025. Ayan, Happy New Year sa inyo. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. Comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. It really helps this channel to grow. Ayan. And let's see. Cancer, anong energies for you? First half ng January for Cancer. So, kuha na tayo ng mga cards. This is your overall energy, your challenge, opportunities, blessings, energy ng money, career, your health, and your love life. Okay. So, kumusta ang inyong New Year? Paano kayo nag-celebrate? Habang nagsha-shuffle ako rito, kukunin ko na yung mga cards. Ayan. Para dire-diretso na lang. Kasi sa ibang parts, umuulan, 'di ba? So, yung iba, late na sila nagpaputok. Ayan. Okay. And then, kuha pa tayo ng tatlo nito. For Cancer. Energy update. Okay. Let's see. So, your overall energy for first half ng January is the Sun. Ang ganda niyan. Kasi, ibig sabihin niyan, very positive yung energy ninyo. Inspired kayo ngayon. Yung iba, masaya. You're feeling good about yourself. Kumbaga, positibo yung pananaw nyo ngayong first half ng January. Very confident din yung energies ninyo. And then, your challenge is the Six of Cups. So, this is energy ng past. So, maaring merong mga challenging situation from your past relationship or past situation na kailangan nyong ayusin or i-work out or tipong to let go, no? Kasi minsan yung past mahirap i-let go, mahirap mag-move on, mag-move forward. But sabi nga nila new year, new life, 'di ba? So, yeah, I think some of you are letting go of the past that you feel na it doesn't really serve your highest good. Okay, and then your opportunity is the King of Pentacles. So, opportunity for you to have a financial stability, or yung iba sa inyo, kung may business kayo, maganda yung takbo ng business ninyo, everything ay namamanage ninyo ng maayos. If you have like a managerial position or meron kang authority sa workplace ninyo, so I see you na maaring merong opportunity for you to grow, like ma-promote sa trabaho. So, kumbaga stable, no? Yung inyong finances, yung inyong career path, and yung mga plano ninyo for this month, no? Moving forward. Your blessing is the King of Cups. So, this is healing. This is focusing on what you love to do. I think you will be blessed with people na may pakialam sa'yo. Mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo who really cares about you. You will also be blessed with wisdom, and also pagdating sa creative talents and skills mo, you are going to be more imaginative. Marami kang ideas ngayon that will bring in abundance and blessings sa buhay mo. So, sa money, career, money muna. Queen of Cups, may King and Queen of Cups dito. So, Queen of Cups energy when it comes to your money, I think you will be receiving finances or money. Mayroon ka marireceive na kaperahan, income sa mga talents mo na nagagawa. Kumbaga, when you are tapping into your talents and your skill set, marami itong na-generate na income or pera. Example, isa kang pintor, painter. you are creating paintings and binibenta mo yung paintings mo na yan, and you're going to create abundance and money dahil yun yung talento mo. You are tapping into that. You are focusing on your passion. Halimbawa, nasa content creation ka. So, content creation will also bring in money to you. So, this is about your creative talents and skill set. Some of you naman, you are into spirituality. Yung spiritual gifts ninyo will also bring in abundance and bring in more money to you. So, your career, you have the Justice card. So, this is balance in your life. So, pagdating sa trabaho, hindi mo na rin i-overwork yung sarili mo. You will, create this schedule and manage your time well. Dahil, syempre, kung merong mga taong naapektuhan na yung tipong hindi mo nabibigyan ng attention, like for example, your family, hindi mo sila nabibigyan ng attention dahil nakafocus ka lang sa career mo, syempre somehow, magsasuffer rin sila. So, I think ngayon, you know better for your career kung ano yung kailangan gawin, ano yung kailangan bigyan ng focus ng attention. And maaring iba sa inyo may decision making. You want to make some changes in your career path. If you are into corporate world, nasa corporate world ka, gusto mong magnegosyo, or i-follow yung passion mo, so yun yung mga pinag-iisipan mo. And then your health, you have the Fool. Nako. Okay, so it's like taking some risk in your health. So be very careful sa mga bago mong susubukan pagdating sa kalusugan mo, or sa mga bagong mga ifa-follow mo na healthy habits or lifestyle. Okay? Syempre, do it with your own discernment and precaution. Maging maingat lang sa mga susubukan. Let's say may supplements kang susubukan, meron kang susubukan na bagong diet plan or exercise. So, just make sure na you consult your a health professional para hindi naman too risky yung gagawin mo for your health. And I also see na gusto mong may magbago, no? It's like embracing a new chapter of your life. May mga changes kang gagawin to be healthier ngayong first half ng January. And then, your love life, you have the Four of Cups. So, yung iba sa inyo, you may be in a situation or relationship na parang feeling mo, hindi ka na masaya, yung iba hindi na kontento, no, sa situation, sa relationship. So, maaaring isa yan sa decision making na gagawin mo. You want to be free, or you want na malaman kung which path to take pagdating dito sa relationship. I think you have to, kailangan muna kausapin mo yung person mo if you are in a relationship, kung ano yung reason ba't parang medyo nawawalan ka na ng gana. Okay? Or, can be reversal. Pwedeng yung person mo might open up sa'yo na parang there is something na hindi na niya gusto sa situation ninyo. So, you really have to work things out. If you're single, meron kang hindi napapansin na romantic connection na namumuo sa paligid mo. So, be more sensitive around you kasi pwedeng merong person na nagkakagusto sa'yo. So, wisdom, this is about your maturity. So, yung iba sa inyo, mas magiging mature in making decisions. You will focus on ano yung mas logical, ano yung mas makakabuti for you and para sa nakakarami. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong talents and skill set nyo na you will tap into. You have creative ideas, no, na pwedeng mag-bring in ng pera sa inyo. Harvest, this is the result of your hard work. So, maaring meron kang makukuha na interes sa mga ininvest mo, or makikita mo na yung resulta ng mga pinaghirapan mo, pinagpaguran mo. You should accept valid criticism. So, ito yung pagiging sensitive minsan, na kung valid naman yung pagkikriticize sa'yo, iwasan mong maging balat sibuyas or 'di ba, maging sensitive, because maaring ito yung magiging reason para mas mapaunlad mo yung sarili mo at ma-improve mo yung sarili mo. Period of prosperity and abundance. Wow, ang ganda niyan, Cancer. So, merong prosperity and abundance coming in sa inyo. And also, may opportunity or windfall. Oh my God, merong unexpected money coming in sa inyo or opportunities. Disappointment in a friend or lover. So, I think ito yung sinasabi dito sa love life ninyo na meron ditong disappointment, may parang kulang, parang hindi na masaya or unfulfilled. So, kailangan pag-usapan, baka kasi magawan pa ng paraan, 'di ba? Love, deep affection, and caring. So, I think you're looking for a partner or a relationship na kung saan may pakialam talaga sa'yo or very sensitive sa needs mo. Come together, we need each other. Where have you been separating yourself from or pushing against others and the world? So, this is being more collaborative, mas focus on companionship and being with the people na alam mo na support system mo, no? Someone na nagsusupport sa mga goals mo sa buhay and sila yung mas makakatulong rin sa iyo para mas ma-improve mo ang iyong character development. Okay? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much and see you again.